Welcome to my channel. You can use a lambda function to call another function by including the function call within the lambda's expression. Multiply function that takes two arguments and returns their product. You can use a lambda function to call the multiply function and pass it the arguments 5 and 3. The result of the multiply function call 15 is returned. In this example, the lambda function takes two arguments x and y, and its expression is the call to the multiply function with x and y as arguments. Lambda function is then immediately invoked with the values 5 and 3 as its arguments. Another way to do this is by assigning the lambda to a variable and then call it. The output of this code is 12. Note that in this example, the lambda function is not called immediately, but rather it is assigned to the variable mult. Then the mult function is called with the arguments 6 and 2. Thank you for watching my video.